Have you ever wondered whether buying a condominium in Japan is really the best investment? A recent investigation by Japan's Fair Trade Commission has raised concerns about the way some major condominium repair projects were awarded. According to the investigation, dozens of construction companies were suspected of coordinating bids for large-scale repair projects instead of competing fairly. If proven, this could have resulted in higher repair costs. For condominium owners, for property investors, this is an important reminder. In Japan, condominium buildings require major repairs every 12 to 15 years. These projects include repainting exterior walls, waterproofing roofs, and repairing common areas. The cost can be substantial, and those expenses are paid through monthly repair reserve funds, and in some cases, additional special assessments. The challenge is that individual condominium owners have very little control over these decisions. The management association decides when repairs are carried out, which contractors are selected, and how much owners are asked to contribute. Even if you disagree with the cost or the contractor, your influence as a single unit owner is limited. This is one reason why some real estate investors choose a different approach. Instead of buying individual condominium units, they invest in an entire apartment building or a single-family rental home. When you own the whole property, you have much greater control. You decide when repairs are needed. You choose the contractors. You compare multiple estimates. And you manage the maintenance budget according to your own investment strategy. Of course, owning an entire building or a house also comes with greater responsibility. You'll need to spend more time managing the property and making maintenance decisions. But many investors believe that having direct control over costs is worth the extra effort. Every type of real estate investment has advantages and disadvantages. Condominiums can be easier to own, but many important decisions are made by the management association. Entire buildings and rental homes require more work, but they also give you much more control over your investment. Before buying property in Japan, think carefully about which ownership style best matches your investment goals. If you're interested in Japanese real estate, subscribe for more practical tips for foreign property investors.